If you find yourself confused about yoga versus meditation, know that you are not alone. Simply put, yoga includes internal, external, and mental stability. Meditation, on the other hand, comprises only mental stability, which can be obtained through yoga. Yoga is an old Sanskrit word, which translates to the word union. This union implies how the soul of an individual is connected to the spirit of the universe. Meditation, on the other hand, is derived from the word dhyana, which is the seventh member of yoga. It is a state of consciousness. What is yoga? Yoga is a traditional form of exercise that has been performed since ancient times and has been helpful. These exercises must be practiced regularly and efficiently. The practice of yoga involves 8 steps. Yama refers to controlling negative emotions such as envy, jealousy, enmity, greed, selfishness, passion, etc. Niyama, it aims to keep good thoughts, regularity, and punctuality on time. Asana, it refers to the set of yoga exercises that must be conducted in coordination with the breath. Pranayama, it is associated with mindful breathing, which facilitates full and deep inhalation and exhalation of the breath. Pratyahara, it consists of the internalization of consciousness. Dharana, it refers to the focus of attention. Dhyana, at this stage, the goal is to keep the mind focused on one thought and gradually increase the length of time the mind stays focused on that single thought. Samadhi, it is the journey of personal self-realization when the practitioner obtains the ability to travel alone, guiding himself within. What is meditation? Meditation generally refers to the effort of emptying the mind of all thoughts and gradually increasing the duration of that state. It is a practice in which an individual trains the mind or induces a mode of consciousness. In meditation, a person stays in one place and seeks inner mental stability. It is not an easy process to achieve and is used to improve personal development. What to choose, yoga or meditation? As you might have already understood that meditation is a part of yoga and you can't choose between the two, but you can make your exercise sessions more focused on one of the two components. If you are a patient with anxiety and you often find yourself engrossed in mental health problems, meditation might be the best option for you. Meditation teaches you mindfulness and gives you a break from your hectic routine. On the contrary, if you are aiming for better physical health as well as mental health, yoga should be your best friend. Figuring out what works the best for you between yoga versus meditation isn't a problem. The real deal is to get a grip on all the mindfulness exercises, as they require a lot of focus.